Yo, what's up, y'all? We're back here on the channel in the garage putting in some work. Got the work clothes on again, and we've been busy. We're making templates for the bay. We're checking the torque on some of the bolts because this motor was boosted at one time. We're checking some of the torque on head bolts and everything, and we're just cleaning up some stuff, and we're gonna go over it. So let's take a look. So we got the valve covers off right now. We just wanted to check some things. Check some of the head bolts because, like I said, this motor was boosted at one time with a 2.6 Kenny Bell. You know, wasn't pushing too much boost. Whatever the factory setting on it was, 5 to 8 pounds. But I mean, they look alright. This is what the hot rod cams are looking like. I put them in a few years ago. And I actually haven't had this motor out in quite some time, so I'm going to be cleaning some stuff up. And then while we had it out, we noticed some of these cam phaser prongs over here were bent, and I bent them back straight. These little prongs, I don't know, it always had some, like, a little bit of hesitation. I'm wondering if that was it. And we got the coil packs out, valve covers are off. I just finished, got a couple little tugs on some of the head bolts, nothing crazy. And so this is the bay. We're gonna clean it up a little bit, weld in all these holes. And right now, I made these templates for the frame covers to help smooth it out. So I made these out of cardboard. I'll take these, and I got a piece of metal in here, a little bit of a thicker gauge, heavier duty to help stiffen it up. So this is the piece of metal. I'll set this on here, you know, trace it out, and then I'll cut it out. So we got some metal for that, some metal for the frame and strut towers. And then while I'm at it, I'm redoing a couple things. I'm going to utilize the factory coolant reservoir from an 07 on here, because I had a little overflow tank and I just felt like it wasn't working right. So I stole the cap. I gotta get a cap. Stole the cap for the Coyote swap, but I had to make this homemade bracket here. It's a little bit extreme heavy duty, but it will do. And then I made these little L brackets where I just drilled into the top of the radiator over here, like I did over here. So there's the other L bracket. Bolts to this, bolts to the radiator, and bolts to the fan now. So this ain't going anywhere. So I painted it up with some hot temp paint. It ain't no showpiece, but it will do. And I mean, it actually doesn't look that bad, and you won't really see it too much, but I think it's looking good. And this is what the radiator that I have in it. Northern radiator. I like using the Northern radiators. These fans blow pretty good air. I think it's a Black Magic maybe. So just wanted to give you a little update of what I got going on. So soon we'll put this back together, start grinding and sanding and welding on the engine bay. So that cord board will make it kind of make it look like it's smooth. See all the holes down in there. Same with over here. It'll cover the top. I still gotta make the back piece for over there. Well, we got that one done. We'll go over that in another video. The hydro boost system, brake system I'm using, and the rerouted fuel lines. Give it a little cleaner look. So yeah, doing some maintenance on a 3-valve swap fox body. This motor's probably hasn't been out in quite a few years, and we're redoing some things, cleaning it up, and hopefully have it on the road. Oh, and then the factory coolant system utilizes this hose. We'll go down to the lower hose, so that will connect there. This will go down and connect to the lower rad hose. And right now I just got a piece of you could see basically a piece of exhaust pipe in between the hose, and now this fitting will go there like it's supposed to go. I bypassed it, and it just seemed like it was just like the coolant system wasn't ever really working right. So this will give it more coolant now, keep it a little bit cooler, and it'll give it a factory style look. So yeah, that's what we got going on in the shop. Hope you like the content, and keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons, and keep tuning in, because till the next videos, peace.